Come take a tour with me in this gorgeous lakefront pool home in Lakes at Tradition. This beautiful home is a very popular Devasta model with a bright open floor plan that lets in the perfect amount of natural light. Tucked away in a cul-de-sac, this beautiful home has 3 bedrooms plus a bonus room and 2.5 bathrooms. The focal point of this home is the gorgeous view of the pool and lake, which can be seen from most rooms in the house. The screened-in lanai area is the perfect backyard paradise for entertaining friends and family, and it overlooks one of the many lakes in this gated community. The kitchen has been updated to open up the living space, and there is beautiful bamboo and tile flooring throughout the house. The Lakes at Tradition boasts fantastic amenities, including a beautiful clubhouse for social events, 2 swimming pools, 4 pickleball courts, tennis and basketball courts, and so much more. Landscaping, irrigation, and in-house security systems are also included in the HOA. If you're interested in this gem of a property, contact Mary Nangle at 772-323-4005.